In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Privacy section. Then select Permission Manager. Click on one of those options, like for example location, and select an app you wish to manage. For example, I want to manage location access for my Chrome, so I have to click on it. Pick one of those options, allow only while using the app, or deny. In this case, select deny anyway in the pop-up and go back. As you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. If you want to, you can also click on one of your features. Select an app that you are interested in and click See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!